Hello, welcome back to Cesim Global Challenge 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips video. The best Cesim round 1 answers. You will see the top 10 winning tips in 10 separate videos, so easy for you to check. The second winning tip is to check the market reports. Market reports are one of the most important reports we need to check before we set decision for any rounds. I show you now. For the market reports, we can check 3 reasons. And then you can see the reason. The first reason is USA, the second is Asia, and the next Europe. And you see the details of companies here. You can check the price, the features of the competitors, and the marketing strategy, the number of units we sold from last round, and demand for that. This is very important. And you can see for all the 4 products, right? So very important report. You can also check for the Asia market, right? Asia market you see here, right? For the Asia market. Again, you check the price of competitors, the number of features, so you can update the product, and you know the strategy of competitors here, the number of units sold, and also the total demand for that, right? Remember the market reports is very important. We check that for all the 3 markets to find the details of the price, number of features, and the total demand and the unit we sold from last round, not only for your company but also for the competitors, so you can adjust the strategy to compete better. If you have any question, you send the email to cesimhelp2020@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Check the other videos. We have top 10 winning tips, right? Check the other videos. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.